bad year for leaves. So.
It's a bad year for leaves.
They're kind of like, they're hollow.
Puzzle time! 1,000 pieces. So, ito yung pinagkakaabalahan namin, guys. Pinagluto ako, guys, ni Aaron ng sandwich and fries. Kasi kakauwi ko lang galing school. For today's video, guys, Sunday ngayon dito sa Amerika, kaya church time at pumunta kami sa may church namin dito sa US. So, pang ilang visit ko na ito, guys, sa church na ito. Actually, hindi siya, guys, Catholic church. St. Lutheran siya, pero almost same lang din siya ng Catholic church. At pastor yung kanilang priest. At ang ganda, guys, ng church nila dito. Sobrang laki. So, after nga, guys, ng church namin ay may pinuntahan kami. So, nakita ko, guys, yung sobrang laki ng lake na ito. Ang ganda talaga niya. Sabi ng mga biyanan ko ay pwede ka daw mamingwit dito ng isda. At pwede rin kayo mag-boating. Kasi sobrang laki at lawak ng lake na ito. Dito, guys, sa may Minnesota, guys, ang dami nilang lakes dito. Sabi nga nila, meron silang 10,000 lakes. Famous sila sa 10,000 lakes. After nun nga, guys, may nakita nga kami itong pony na ito. Super cute. First time ko makakita ng pony. At sobrang cute nila. Gusto ko siyang sakyan. Kaya nadaanan nga namin, guys, yung railway dito, yung dinadaanan ng mga train. Hindi siya, guys, train na sinasakyan ng tao, kundi for mga like big containers. Then, pag nasa bahay naman, guys, ito namin pinagkakaabalahan namin. Mahilig yung family nila Aaron magawa ng puzzle. So, bali, day off nga, guys, ni Aaron at wala kami masyadong ginagawa. Ang ginagawa naming pamilya ay pupunta kami, guys, sa woods, naglalakad-lakad, parang exercise na rin. At kasi ngayong mga buwan na ito, yung mga trees, color ng mga leaves nila ay nag-turn na siya sa iba-ibang color, like yellow, orange, meron din parang purple, like mga maple tree. So, bali, couple nga kami dito, guys. Yung dalawang biyanan ko makasama at kami naman ni Aaron. Dito, guys, tinitingnan nila, guys, yung red squirrel. Kasi yung red squirrel, guys, ano siya, guys, parang salot dito. Bad squirrel sila kasi kinukutkut nila yung kinakagat nila yung mga kung ano-ano yan dito, mga gamit. So, ang ginagawa nila, guys, ni Lyle, pinapatay nila yan, guys, kasi salot nga siya. Mga bad squirrels sila. Kaso nahirapan nga sila, guys, makita kasi nga nagtatago nga ito. Ang ganda ng reflection ng araw sa kanila. So, lunch time. Aaron made it for me. Cooked me a lunch. Just get back from our driving lesson school in St. Paul. I'm waiting for my fries.
My somber
They're probably ready, actually, because there's not very many in there.
My sandwich, fries, and coffee. Malayo, guys, yung school ko. Sa St. Paul. Isang oras yung biyahe. Nag-aaral ako, guys, ng driving lessons. Kasi kailangan kong makakuha ng driver's license dito. Harap nito.
I always struggle with mushrooms.
They say they're seasoned. I've never bought these before.
I know something about Sabotage Kitchen or whatever, so like they have these challenges where like
Fryer or tomato, seasoned fries. Aaron,
I'm gonna make these mushrooms for the burgers because we're having burgers too. So we're gonna cook these burgers on top of the skillet.
Skillet. So, dinner time na nga ito, guys, at nagpe-prepared na ang lahat for dinner. At si Aaron naman ay, siya naman yung nakatoka na magluto ng mushroom. Favorite niya yan, guys, yung mushroom sa kanyang burger. kahit anong foods, basta may mushroom, favorite talaga niya yan. So, nilalagyan niya lang ng mga seasonings at gisahin lang siya sa may butter. At buti na lang guys, nakahanap ako ng lalaking marunong magluto. Hi! Buti na lang.
Toasted bun or? That rice dish we were looking at last night.
You gonna put butter on the hot plate?
Well, I got buttered on the.
How do you like your burger, James? Medium? Well done?
Probably well done.
Well done.
Well done? Okay, then I'm going to... Well, they seem they separated a little bit more than they... And then get them crispy enough. Let's heat up a little bit.
The cheese a little bit.
Yeah, you want some mushrooms on hers, right?
Yes.
Which one?
So, bali busy nga guys yung mag-ama kakaluto ng aming burger. Yan kasi yung magiging dinner namin. Ako naman taga-tingin at taga-kain at taga-video ng kanilang ginagawa. Yung mami naman nila ay may ginagawa yatang iba. So, nakakatuwa lang sila sa mag-ama. Thank you. Your tomato and the vegetables.
Yep. That's my burger. I don't need.
French fries.
Yeah, some with.
Why don't we just take them over there and use this thing?
Sure, where should I set this? Well, that's what I'm saying. I'm going to be able to like, oh hey, there's one for fries.
Oh, pickles. I didn't get no hamburger slices on mine.
I thought it was some beans.
You feeling like what?
Some Bush's baked beans.
There might be a can in the thing.
No, it's fine. I was just saying that's what kind of look was like.
I know. I thought about beans too, but
I mean, I could go for beans.
I didn't know how many side dishes you needed.
Oh no, yeah, you got it. Never mind. It's fine.
what? What you say? Open them up and take some, and we put the rest in the container. It don't matter. I don't care. Oh, I need pepper.